Dear colleagues, dear friends, I'm delighted to be able to address you today for the official inauguration of the Road Victims House and the Safe Mobility Park in Ljubljana. Let me first start by congratulating Slovenia for the impressive progress in road safety in the last 5 years. Whereas in the European Union, road deaths went down by 12%, well, they went down by a third in Slovenia, which is indeed remarkable progress. Of course, there is no room for complacency. The work is not over. We need still systemic measures like, for example, road safety management, enforcement, work on alcohol, work on speed, on micromobility, and of course also on education. This is why we are delighted to see that as a proud FEVR member, the Zavod Varna Pota has decided to open a new chapter on their mission, on their life, with the creation of this Safe Mobility Park, which is certainly something we support and that will be supported by all those who care about road safety and road safety education. This is the reason why I would like to also take this opportunity to congratulate Prime Minister of Slovenia, Dr. Robert Golob, the Minister of Infrastructure, Alenka Bratušek, but also the Mayor of Ljubljana, Zoran Jankovic, and of course, last but not least, my dear friend Robert Staba, who is doing an impressive work, not only in Zavod Varna Pot, but also in as a president of FEVR in working for road safety. I will be in Ljubljana for the World Day of Remembrance of Road Traffic Victims in November, and I really hope that this will also give me the opportunity to visit the Road Victims House and Safe Mobility Park.